Discover the benefits of buying a new build or off-plan property in Spain. Welcome to a journey that could transform your dream of owning a Spanish home into reality. Imagine waking up to warm, Mediterranean breezes, stunning beaches, and a lifestyle designed for relaxation. In this video, we'll explore why choosing a new build or off-plan property in Spain is the perfect investment for your future. Whether you've envisioned a getaway or a forever home, we'll unpack why this is a smarter choice compared to purchasing a resale property. At the end of this video, don't forget to click the link in our description to explore your dream property. Let's dive in. Spain has always been a magnet for dreamers and property buyers alike. With its breathtaking scenery, warm climate, and timeless Mediterranean charm, it's hard to say no to the blissful Spanish lifestyle. Nowhere else offers the perfect blend of golden beaches, vibrant culture, and a relaxing pace of life. The Menor region, in particular, is Spain's hidden gem. Known for its crystal-clear waters and natural beauty, this area provides everything you need, whether you're seeking a laid-back retreat or an active outdoor lifestyle. It's a place where sun-drenched days meet modern conveniences, offering an unbeatable quality of life. If you've ever thought about owning a piece of paradise, this is your moment. When buying property in Spain, the choice often narrows down to new builds versus resale homes. Let's start by looking at what makes new builds so appealing. New builds are constructed with the modern homeowner in mind. From sleek architecture to open, functional layouts, everything about these homes is designed to suit contemporary tastes. Every corner serves a purpose, combining aesthetics and practicality to create a delightful living environment. One undeniable advantage is that everything is brand new. No worn-down roofs, outdated kitchens, or hidden repair surprises here. You'll move into a sparkling, untouched home with the latest appliances and energy-efficient systems. This not only ensures comfort, but also saves you money on utilities in the long run. Many new developments offer more than just homes. They create an entire lifestyle for you to enjoy. Imagine waking up to a resort-like experience every day. Properties often include pools, fitness centers, and communal spaces, elevating your living experience. These amenities come included, making daily life convenient, fun, and even luxurious. Buying a new build is all about that fresh start. There's no old clutter, no previous owner's personal touches, just a blank canvas for you to express your style and create a home that's truly yours. If you want to take things a step further, off-plan properties might be the perfect option for you. But what exactly are they? Good question. Off-plan properties are homes purchased before or during construction. They allow you to invest early in the development process, often securing a better price or payment plan. What makes off-plan so appealing is the ability to customize your home. Want a certain floor plan? Dreaming of a specific kitchen design? With off-plan, you can tweak many elements of the home to reflect your vision. It's an opportunity to create something personal, special, and tailored to your needs. One of the biggest advantages of off-plan purchases is the payment flexibility. Instead of paying a lump sum up front, payments can usually be staged throughout the construction process. This gradual approach makes affording your dream home manageable and stress-free. Meanwhile, you'll also benefit from seeing your dream come to life, step by step. From foundation to finish, you'll watch the property take shape, and when it's finally ready, it's all yours brand new and waiting to welcome you home. To truly understand the benefits of new builds and off-plan homes, it's essential to compare them to resale properties. Purchasing a resale home often means inheriting someone else's decisions and problems. For example, resale homes can come with hidden repair costs or outdated systems. From leaky roofs to aging plumbing, these issues mean extra work, time, and money for you. Renovations can pile on unexpected expenses, and you may struggle to make an older property meet modern energy or safety standards. Additionally, resale homes lack the flexibility of customization. You're buying someone else's home and vision, one that might not completely align with your needs. With a new build, you're starting fresh with a property tailored to you. When you choose a new build, you're guaranteed quality and compliance with the latest building standards. From earthquake resistance to energy savings, these properties meet strict standards, ensuring durability, safety, and practicality for years to come. Moreover, new builds are a stress-free option. All aspects of construction are handled by professionals, and you won't be left worrying about unforeseen issues. It's a hassle-free process designed to make your buying experience seamless. One vital part of purchasing any property is location, 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 and this is where Menor truly shines. Nestled along Spain's southeastern coast, Menor offers scenic views, warm lagoons, and an abundance of recreational activities. Whether you're walking along sandy beaches, exploring quaint towns, or simply soaking in the sunshine, this region offers the perfect setting for relaxation and adventure alike. Proximity to airports and modern infrastructure also makes Menor ideal for retirees, vacationers, and international buyers. It's more than a place to live. It's a community that offers the best of Spanish culture alongside modern conveniences. Properties in regions like Menor are not just purchases, they're investments for the future. As demand grows, so does the value of these homes, making now the perfect time to buy. Whether you're looking for rental income or long-term appreciation, a new build or off-plan property ticks all the right boxes. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to call this beautiful region home? Buying a home is a life-changing decision, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. As specialists in new build and off-plan property sales in Menor, we are proud to help buyers just like you find their dream homes. From property selection to securing the best payment methods, we ensure a smooth, stress-free process every step of the way. Whether it's your first time buying abroad or you're a seasoned investor, our expert team has you covered. We're here to simplify the journey and handle the logistics so you can focus on visualizing your new life in the Spanish sun. Imagine owning a brand new property tailored for you in one of Spain's most picturesque regions. Now's the time to act. Whether you're ready to finalize details or still exploring your options, we're here to help. Click the link in the description to visit our website today. Browse our beautiful modern properties and get personalized guidance to find the perfect fit for you. Your dream of owning a beautiful home in Spain is just one step away. Take that step with us and start your journey toward the lifestyle you've always wanted. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to help you turn your Spanish home aspirations into reality.